Education is a right, and your learning must continue. With this, I am Teacher John, and I'm happy to be your science teacher as we explore, discover, and learn to understand that science is everywhere. Come on, join me as we reveal the beauty of science. I think you are now ready to explore. But before that, let us recap our previous lesson, the water cycle. Now I want you to identify the different processes in the water cycle. I'll just give you 3 seconds for each process. Are you ready? Let's start. It is a process which water changes from a liquid state to an atmospheric water vapor. It is the change of water from its gaseous form into liquid water. It is the primary connection in the water cycle that provides for the delivery of atmospheric water. The process which water moves downslope along the soil surface until it reaches a stream or lake. The process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts. The process which water on the ground surface enters the soil. You made it! You got all the correct answers! Now, I want you to observe these 4 pictures. Try to fill out the missing letters to unlock the words. I'll just give you 5 seconds to do that. And your time starts now. What's your answer? Correct! You got it! To understand this, let's have our topic for today, the Earth systems. Our lesson objective is to explain that the Earth consists of 4 subsystems across whose boundary matters and energy flow. A system is a set of interconnected components that are interacting to form a unified whole. Scientists break down the Earth's major system into 4: hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. These systems interact in multiple ways to affect Earth's surface material and process. In this activity, choose the systems that are working together to create the following phenomenon. You have 5 seconds to answer for each item. Let's start! The ocean supports many ecosystems, from coral reefs to tide pools. The troposphere is rare evaporating water from the oceans, forms clouds and precipitation. Volcanic vents in the ocean create habitats for creatures that live in or near the intense heat. A sudden rainstorm in the desert can cause flooding and severe erosion, changing the shape. Warming of the ocean with climate change may be causing the increased violence in storms. Here are the correct answers. Job well done! Air, land, water, and life are all interconnected. The different systems are known as atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. The systems work together to create our world. Take a breath. You are breathing an air from our atmosphere. The atmosphere is the thin gaseous layer that envelopes the lithosphere. One of the most important processes by which the heat on the Earth's surface is redistributed is through atmospheric circulation. The atmosphere offers protection from the UV radiations and helps holding heat to warm the planet's surface and contain oxygen and carbon dioxide required for animal life and plant life. The Earth's atmosphere comprises 78% of nitrogen, 20.9% of oxygen, 0.93% of argon, and 0.0039% of carbon dioxide and other gases. The hydrosphere, from the Greek word hydro, means water, includes all water covering Earth both in liquid and solid form. 70% of Earth is covered by water. Only 3% of Earth's water is fresh, 2/3 are in the form of ice, and the remaining 1/3 is present in streams, lakes, and groundwater. Heat is absorbed and redistributed in the surface of the Earth through ocean circulation. Our biosphere, bio meaning life, contains all the life forms on Earth. Living beings are found everywhere on Earth, even on the parts that appear to be inhabited. The biosphere overlaps the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. We are part of the biosphere, as our crop that we grow and the pets that we keep. Every living being, from the tiny bacteria to the blue whale, is part of the Earth's biosphere. The Earth's crust and the upper mantle make up the lithosphere, which is from the Greek word for stone, lithos. Our lithosphere consists of approximately the first 60 miles of solid materials from the planet down. This is also referred to as the Earth crust. The lithosphere constantly changes because of the shift in the plate. This movement is very slow and we don't feel the changes unless an earthquake or volcanic eruption occurs. Volcanic eruption affect all the Earth's sphere. The magma coming up from the Earth is a part of lithosphere. The gases and material from the eruption move from the lithosphere into the atmosphere. The lava pouring down the volcano will change the biosphere, while the condensation of water alters the hydrosphere. The system all interact to create and maintain the world as we know it. Human beings from the biosphere walk on the ground, the lithosphere, breathe the air, the atmosphere, and drink the water, the hydrosphere. This time, let's watch an aerial view of Sitio Tramban from Barangay Poblacion, Mahaplag, Leyte. Did you observe different Earth systems? Now, I want you to make a concept map out of the different Earth systems interacting that makes the geographical structure of Sitio Tramban that you observe on the video. The Tramban River refers to the hydrosphere. The sky refers to the atmosphere. All living creatures present refers to the biosphere. The mountains and topographical features refers to the lithosphere. Good job! And now, Give sample situation found in your area showing the different interaction of Earth systems. Write your answer in your science journal. To generalize our lesson, complete the following statement. You will be given 30 seconds to answer. A system is a set of interconnected components that are interacting to form a unified whole. The atmosphere offers protection from the UV radiations and helps holding heat to warm the planet's surface and contain oxygen and carbon dioxide required for animal and plant life. The hydrosphere, from the Greek word hydro, means water, includes all the water covering Earth both in liquid and solid form. The biosphere is the set of all life forms on Earth. The gases and material from the eruption move from the lithosphere into the atmosphere. Let's have a brain check. Choose the letter of the correct answer. You will be given 5 seconds to answer for every item. Question number 1. Which of the following pictures shows the interaction between biosphere and hydrosphere? Question number 2. Which of the following statement is not correct? Question number 3. Which of the following is not an Earth system? Question number 4. How many major systems that the Earth has? Question number 5. Which geologic system is comprised of all waters on Earth, including subsurface water and atmospheric water? How many of you got all the correct answers? Congratulations! You did a great job today! I hope you've learned a lot and join me to our next science journey. And together, let us discover everything around us because science is everywhere. This has been your science mentor, Teacher John from Senior High School Department. See you next meeting!